So this is the disaster of, high chair. Got this piece of fabric. I am just folding it over twice and ironing it to create a hem that I will sew along on all sides of this thing. And then this is the right side of the fabric. That will just be basically a mat. It's upholstery fabric, so it's a little bit thicker than just like quilting fabric. And this will go under my daughter's high chair and hopefully act as a little bit better of a barrier. And then I can pop it in the washing machine regularly, I guess. Good luck keeping it clean, but yeah, working on that. And it should be super quick. Now this is literally super straightforward, as it's just a straight hem. Bore you with doing this on every side because it's just all the same thing. And there's always a cat invasion on fabric that pauses the process. Back to it again, just another lovely straight line hem. So again, some cat watching over the process. Another reason I take out the pins as I go is because I don't want to have to then go back through what I just did and take out all the pins. And I'm paranoid that I'll drop one, and it's a choking hazard, obviously. So I like to get them out right away. Now we're doubling up on the fabric as we come to the corner, so I go slower. So don't try not to break the darn needle, as I have done so many times before. Halfway done, sort of. I have a weird diagonal because there was a cutout from the fabric and blah blah blah. I'm gonna, but basically, third side here. So going to prep the seam. And I'm making a really large seam allowance because I don't have actual size requirements for this. So it doesn't really matter if it's a big seam or not. Oh my god. Circe. Next side. Yes, I've taken pauses between each side because life. Okay, I've got the drop cloth. That's what I'm calling this, a drop cloth for underneath my daughter's where she eats. High chair. High chair. Underneath her high chair because it's like a graveyard for food scraps beneath it right now. And I had put a towel down, just a little hand, like kitchen drying towel. But of course there's food everywhere. So this will just cover the area. Again, it's more of an upholstery cloth, so it's thicker, and then can be shaken out outside and put in the washing machine. So, yes. Nap time is not party time for me. So I think for the most part the drop cloth is working. It's catching most of the stray forks and spoons and blobs of food, and so as long as the cat doesn't pee on it, it's a win.